you guys wonder what am I using to let my skin glow? So I am using this Click Lotions. I'm using this one, mom's one, but they all see this in this one. They all see it. So you guys wonder, how do I get my skin glow? So you can buy any type of lotion if you want it, but I always buy this. When I go to Clicks, then I buy this. My skin glows like a diamond. This is just a photo I'm gonna show you when I'm done with my face. But guys, I love this lotion. So guys, I can see without my glasses, but I must take it off. I love this lotion. This is this diamond. Yes, that's the diamond. So guys, my skin always glow in the sun. Then the people wonder, how do I get my skin soft and like shiny? Then I said, I always buy lotion and buy Clicks. Then they said, buy from me. Then I said, okay, because people want to know how do I get my skin glowing. But I always use this type of lotion. I always use this type of lotion. But guys, I'm gonna show you now without the filter. This is without the filter, guys. This is how my skin looks without the filter. But like for more, guys. Bye.